In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create shorts from long form videos in CapCut for free. Now, immediately you come to your home screen of your CapCut app or your CapCut software, you are immediately greeted with long videos to short. You see that there. If I click on home, it brings me to the same place. So I'll click on this, and it's going to give me this option to load the video I want to use. You can load it from your Google Drive. I'll allow access to this. If you see this screen, please allow access. Now, it's going to ask me to drag and drop files here from my Google Drive or from my Dropbox or from my space. I'm just going to drop them from my computer. Now, mind you, you are going to be prompted to log into your CapCut account again. So I'm going to just click, I've already logged in. I'm going to come to my downloads. This is a YouTube video just for demonstration purposes. And I want to use this video to create to create shorts rather. And I want each of them to be below 60 seconds. Now it's just a 2-minute video, so I didn't want to use a very long video, not to make this video too long, and it's going to take a lot of time to process this. So having done that, I'm going to click on convert, and it's going to say allow CapCut to upload your media to our servers. Yes, allow. Now this is done online, but it's going to be displayed on your CapCut dashboard, so I'm going to say allow, and it's going to take a little bit of time, and it's going to upload the entire video online and produce some shorts which you can download. Now you see it tells me this creating shorts may take some time. You can click back to home and view the progress in your previous projects. So I'm just going to click on back to home, and you can see it. This is it here. It's 81% uploaded. Now we can see it's done, and it tells me it got me 1 short generated. I'm going to click on it, and if I play this short, I can now export this short. I'll just click on export, and I can choose the resolution from here, either 1080 or 720 or 2K or 4K. It all depends on you. And then I'll just export it. It's going to be 62 megabytes. I'll export it to my computer and I can use it. So that is how to generate shorts for free from a long form video using CapCut. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, post your comment, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.